Hey guys, Mike here again from LB Music School. Today we're going to talk about the lick from Beat It by Michael Jackson. So let's start with the first 3 or 4 notes. We'll start with the first 4 notes. So we're going to have some string skipping going on. Here's a look at what we got going on. So we have open E, 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 5 on the D string. So we're ascending up the strings a little bit here. So open E, 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 5 on the D. And again, open E, 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 5 on the D. Again, I'd probably play it a couple of times, maybe slow, until you get used to that stretch in terms of fingering with the left hand. Open, obviously. Middle finger, pointer finger, pinky finger. Let's add one more note here. We're going to add the 2nd fret of the D string. Open, 3, 2, 5, 2 on the D. So 2 notes on the D string after that. So 5D, 2D. Open, 3, 2, 5, 2. Now the next little part of this lick here, we're gonna slide from 2 and go up to 4, down to 2. Open D. Again, slide from 2 up to 4. 2, open, open. And play the D twice after that. So now I'd slide with the ring finger, so you can hit the 2nd fret on the D string, the pointer finger, and then open. In terms of construction of the lick, it's fairly simple. We're going to take those first 4 or 5 notes. First 5 notes. From there, we're already at that 2nd fret of the D string. We're just going to slide up using the ring finger. You have to do a little bit of a switch. In terms of fingers right here, we're going to land on the pointer finger. Release. Hit the ring finger, pointer, D twice. Again, go slow. Open, 3, 2, 5, 2. Switch the finger. Slide with the ring finger up to the 4th fret. Pointer, open, open. Again, slow. Now, the only other thing about this particular riff is that the 2nd time we play it, we only hit the D string once after. Normally the first time, D, D. The 2nd time we play it, only once. A couple of times, so 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I also want to make a quick shout out to everybody that's being affected by COVID-19, living through these super uncertain times, and also a huge shout out to all of our people on the front lines and people who've been directly affected by the coronavirus. So we all wish you well, especially everybody from LB Music School. Everybody, thank you just so much for what you're doing and playing your part during this crisis. So thank you very much, and hopefully we'll be able to see you soon. Thank you. Later, guys.